I will show you just briefly maybe some of the things I'm doing here. I'm boosting 160 because the snare drums feels thin. It needs more low end. So, but just boosting some 160 here, 2K mid-range, and then adding some air at 5K. So let me bring this in and out using the mag EQ. Right. That aggressiveness is pretty good. Right. That is really nice. And then this is where the magic is happening, the decapitator right here. So I'm cranking it up quite a bit using the EMI style here. And that's about it. And then just using the gain to gain match to compensate. All right, so let's go. That's awesome. Let's play that with kick drum and bass. It's dead, right? So that's the power of saturation. I will always refer you back to the video on saturation that I did, how you can use this. It's not killing it. It's just the right amount that we're adding and also using the style. So decapitator is your friend, guys. You know, you have different styles that you can choose from here. And then after that, I use the compressor to basically add some movement. It's out. So that's that. And then last but not the least, using like an EQ right here to correct things, frequencies that are poking out so much. That's what this is basically doing. Without. Let me boost. Okay, so you can hear that. Let me boost this. So that's what I was doing. So I'm gonna bypass the entire processing. That's dead. All right. Right, hope that was helpful. This is meant to be a quick one on how to mix snare drum, add character to your snare drum, add something out of the ordinary to your snare drum. All right, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.